Hello my dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, today's video I am going to explain the next topic which is given in your English grammar book. So for that you all take out your grammar book. Student, this is the chapter number 2. Okay, in this chapter we going to learn about the next topic, which is one and many. One and many. We also call it singular and plural. Okay. So dear student, have you know about the singular and plural? What the meaning of singular and plural? In a simple way, we have to say that singular means one and plural means more than one. Okay student? So student, firstly we going to learn about the singular nouns. Okay? Firstly we going to learn about the singular. What is singular? So a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. Okay? What is a singular noun? So we can say that a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. It is one in counting. Okay, as you can see at your screen, there is a one person, animals. Okay, a noun that names one person, animals or things is called a singular. For example, we can say that boy, cat, dog, elephant, tiger, etc. These are the example of singular noun. Okay, singular noun. Now the next one is plural. After the definition of singular, we are going to learn about the plural. What is plural? So student, a noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. What is plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. Okay, in singular noun we have learned that a noun that names one person, names of one person, place, animal or things, but in plural it becomes more than one. Okay, a noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. For example, we can say boys, girls, cats, cows, houses, flowers, etc. Okay student? These are the definition of singular and plural. One more time I am going to explain what is singular and plural. Listen carefully. So student, a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. It means only one. Okay. And next is plural. So a noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. So student, these are the definition of singular and plural. You have to learn it and also write definition of singular and plural in your notebook with a good handwriting with examples. Okay student? So dear student, there are many more instructions for you. How could we change any words to singular to plural? Okay? How could we change a word in singular to plural? So add es to noun. Student, you have to remember it that add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z to get their plural forms. Okay student? Student, as we know that we add s to most of the nouns to show plural form. Okay, we add as to most of the noun to show plural form, but you have to remember that add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z to get their plural form. Okay student, for example, ostrich. So ostriches, we have to use es at the last of ostrich. Okay student, here is one more instruction for you that the nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I. Okay, we have to convert y in a I and then adding es. Okay, the nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Okay. So my dear student, as we learn the definition of singular and plural and how could we change the singular form into plural, we have to learn. So now you have learned about naming words. Look at the pictures, count the number of objects, write down the numbers in blanks. So student, we have to write numbers of the given pictures. Student, in my previous video, we have already completed the naming words. We have to learn about the naming words and gender. In gender, we have to learn about the male and female. Okay, so now this is the chapter number 2. In chapter number 2, we going to learn about the one and many. So student, firstly look at this picture. Here is the picture given at the screen. So you have to look at the pictures, count the numbers of objects which is given in this exercise and write down the numbers in the blanks. Okay, so firstly there is a picture of toffees. Okay, there is a picture of toffees, so you have to count and after that write on the given blanks. So student, tell me how many toffees are here. So there is total 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to write 5 here. Okay, we have to write 5 here. So now next, there is a next object is kites. Okay, there is a next kites. So tell me how many kites are here. So firstly we are going to count 1 2 3. So here is total 3 kites. So we have to write 3 here. What is the spelling of 3? THREE 3. Okay. Now the next is pencil. Student, tell me how many pencil are here. So there is total 1 pencil. Only 1 pencil are here. So we have to write 1. Okay. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Now the next comb. This is next combs. So how many combs? So 1 and 2. There is total 2 combs. So we have to write 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-O-W 2. Now the next is rose. How many rows? So 1 rose. So we have to write 1 here. Okay student, we have to write 1 here. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. So like this you have to complete this given worksheet. Okay, in number 1 we have to write 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. In number 2, 3. So we have to write the spelling of 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. Okay. Now the next, there is 1 pencil. So on the given blanks we have to write 1. O-N-E 1. Next, there is a 2 comma. So we have to write 2 here. T-W-O 2. Now the next, rows. So we have to write 1 because there is a 1 row. Okay students, so like this you have to complete the first exercise of this chapter. So now moving to the next. Dear student, there is a next stage. Look at these pictures. Okay, look at these pictures. So there is a first 1 book. There is 1 book. Now the next stage, many books. It becomes plural. Okay, there is a singular and it becomes plural. Okay, next is 1 fruit. So in plural form it becomes fruits. Okay, next is 1 house. So it becomes many houses. Okay, 1 book, many books, 1 fruit, many fruits, 1 house, many houses, 1 camel, many camels. Okay, did you notice that as gets added to these naming words, why they change from 1 to many? We have already learned about it. Okay, so read this table that is given in the screen. Okay, so first there is a column of 1 and many. As you all know, 1 means singular and many means plural. So there is a first pin, it becomes pins. Okay, by adding s we have to change singular to plural. Okay, we have to change any words singular to plural. Next is cap, caps, lamb, lambs, bag, bags, toy, toys, bird, birds, jar, jars, bottle, bottles. Okay student, we add as to most of the nouns to show plural form. Okay student, now moving to the next. Now read this table. There is one and many, again singular and plural. So there is fox, foxage, dissage, dress, dressage, bus, busage, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, watch, watches, dress, dressage. So student, there is a notes. We add as or as to the naming words to show more than one. Okay, we add as or as to naming words to show more than one. So student, we add es to the naming words ending in x, sh, double s, s and tcs to show many. Okay, now moving to the next. Read these words, put a tick in front of the words that mean many. Okay student, so we have to take those words that means many. Okay, so there is a first, roses. So student, tell me, it is singular or plural? So student, it is plural forms because as we can see at the last of this word, we can see there is a as. So we have to say that this is plural form. So we have to take it. Okay, because we have to take those words. Okay, that means many. Okay, so in number 1 we have to take in girls, we have to again take it. After that star, so star is a singular, so we have to take only plural. Okay, so roses are plural, so we have to take roses. After that girls. Next bags, so we have to take it. Now the next eraser, so no, it is a singular. Now the next is eraser after kites, so we have to take kites. Okay, now the next fan. Now the next hat, river, so we have to take the given words river. So like this we have to take only plural form. Okay, so one more time you have to check. In number 1 we have to take roses, girls, bags, kites. Next rivers. Okay, like this we have to take only these words. Okay, which means many. Dear student, here is a very important instruction for you. You have to learn it. That is, do you know words like pants, scissors, shorts and trouser have no words to show their one form? Okay, because this word already have a plural form. Okay student, now that's it for today. Dear student, I hope you all understood that how could we change any singular word to plural. Okay. So my dear student, you have to learn the definition of singular and plural and also write down in your notebook with a good handwriting. It's your homework of today. You have to complete it. Okay dear student. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.